Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2016 model Toyota Hiace GL Grandia, 3.0-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 48,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,222,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 229,000 pesos, chattel mortgage fee, initial insurance. / 2018 model Ford Everest Titanium Plus, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 63,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 980,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 180,000 pesos, chattel mortgage fee, initial insurance. / 2016 model Mazda 2V, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 70,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 425,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 93,000 pesos, chattel mortgage fee, initial insurance. / 2022 model Toyota Vios XLE, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers plus mileage with service records, cash price, 580,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 119,000 pesos. Chattel mortgage fee. Initial insurance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.